This is why you need the ultimate BBQ feast in your life. Pulled pork, brisket, and more. Let's start with the star of the show, smoked pulled pork. It's tender, juicy, and packed with smoky goodness that melts in your mouth. Next up, we've got the king of BBQ, smoked brisket. Picture this, a perfectly seasoned crust with tender, flavorful meat inside. It's a BBQ lover's dream. But wait, there's more. How about some spicy hot links? These sausages add the perfect kick, balancing out the rich, smoky flavors. And of course, no BBQ plate is complete without a refreshing side of crunchy slaw. It's the zesty, tangy crunch you need to cut through all that savory richness. Ready to dig in? This is the ultimate BBQ plate, guaranteed to make your taste buds sing. So why wait? Fire up that smoker and get ready for a flavor explosion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mouth-watering BBQ tips and recipes. See you next time, and happy grilling. And